All right.
So now everything is set, your project is open. Now it's time to bring your files in and actually start working. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to import files, preview them smoothly, and organize everything like a pro inside Capcut, so your editing becomes faster, cleaner, and way less confusing. So first thing, go to the top left, under the Media tab, you'll see the Import button. Click on it. Now, just select your files. You can click and drag to select multiple, or click one, hold Shift, and select all. Then hit Open. Now, everything will show up in your media panel. Now, before you start editing, you want to check your clips. Just click on any file, and it will show in the preview window. Hit play, and you can watch it. So now you can quickly go through all your clips and decide what you want to use. Now here's something important. If your video is heavy, like 4K, it might lag. So instead of struggling, turn on Proxy Mode.
Here's how.
Go to the right side panel, click on Modify, then go to Performance Proxy. Turn it on, and choose something like 5:40p M540p. Now what happens is simple. Capcut creates a lightweight version of your video, so it runs smoothly while editing. Your video might look a little low quality during editing, but don't worry. When you export, it will switch back to the original high quality. Now your clips will play smoothly. You can click anywhere on the clip, move the playhead, and preview any part instantly. Same for audio. Click it and listen before using it. Now look, everything is mixed right now, and this gets messy fast. So let's organize it. Select a few clips, right-click, click New Folder with selected items. Now go back, find your folder, right-click, rename. For example, B-roll, extra shots, camera A, camera B, audio. Now everything is clean. You know exactly where your clips are, and editing becomes much faster. So now you've done everything important. Imported your files, previewed them, made playback smooth with Proxy, backhand index pointing right, organized everything properly. Now you're ready to actually start editing. This is how professionals set up their projects. Simple, clean, and efficient. If this helped you, subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. And tell me what you want to learn next. I'll see you in the next video. Thumbs up.